So today I was here looking at this TJ frame. Well, I should say tub, roll bar, and window, because I might make a trailer out of that. Today is, I guess you could argue, the start of Operation Caboose, which is me building an overland trailer on a Jeep TJ frame with possibly the tub minimum, and then maybe the roll bars and windshield as my overland trailer. And today is February 23rd, 2025. We just left Tri-State U-Wrench. This is the next step to my rooftop tent trailer, the rooftop tent itself. It is March 2nd, 2025. Bought this last week and it came in on a pallet. So I'm excited for this. So I just got this ARB Flinders rooftop tent, and I set it up on 2 pallets the first night just to test it out while we still had freezing temperatures. And first night impressions with a, what I would call, basic sleeping bag, I had great results. And something I noticed when I was shutting it is how much room there is in between these 2 mats that they send. And a lot of people say they add a memory foam, and based on how much room is in here, you could easily do that, or you could get a like 10-degree weather sleeping bag and put it in there as your new mattress. And I think I'm going to do that. That way in the winter when it's cold, I can sleep in my 10-degree weather one and know that I'm hot or warm, or, you know. And then it fits in here as an additional soft mattress. So, first night impressions, I love this thing. I got this windshield from my friend Jeff, and it's just another Jeep that's going to be a part of this trailer. Today is March 9th, ironically a year from our cleanup last year, and I'm getting my windshield today. Thanks, Jeff. We're here in Ellis Grove, right, Mitchell?
Yep.
We're here in Ellis Grove. We're buying this Jeep tub to build an overland trailer with. We got our donor for a tub. Thanks, Mitchell. I know, I'm talking. So Mitchell just told me his mother-in-law used to drive this Jeep as a postal vehicle. So maybe Operation Caboose will still be called Operation Caboose, but maybe we should get some like Flying Eagle postal service style decals and come up with a really clever name that relates to mail. I don't know what that name is yet. Maybe we'll call it Going Postal. I don't know. Here at Dexter Trailer Parts in Sikeston, Missouri, to get some taillights and a wiring harness for the trailer. I took off the substructure part of the 2 front fenders. These things to be specific, on both sides. And then I got the rear gate rehung for my first day working on the tub. This is going to be our funnest challenge, is getting this bend and a little bit of a wave right here straightened, and then this window frame pillar is pushed and twisted back just a little bit. So that's going to be fun to fix. You might not be able to tell, but the Wrangler frame we're going to use is right here, buried under this metal. We're going to dig it out today. And there is the TJ frame taken out from underneath the scrap pile. It's going to take some work. We got a chronic rust on this side right here that's going to have to be taken care of, and then it's going to need some bracing on that other side, and then a little bit of work in the middle. But somewhere up here we're going to actually cut it and fold it in, which when you look at the curvature of how that bends, if we can put our bend point where it curves in, we could actually almost meet that nose of the frame rail and that nose of the frame rail in the center to make our hitching point. And then we could maybe even use the old motor mounts as our cross brace to give that strength. We'll have to put it all together and see though to confirm. Look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. We got a lot of parts and stuff put together now in a pile. We just got to put them together as a trailer.